In the ever-evolving world of e-commerce, standing out from the competition is crucial for success. One effective way to differentiate your brand and take control of your product offerings is by manufacturing your own styles. Hello everyone, welcome to another video by Tradyl Talks. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I will be talking to you about the importance and benefits of manufacturing your own styles for your e-commerce business. By assuming responsibility for the manufacturing process, you can reap a multitude of advantages, including enhanced quality control, extensive customization options, and increased profit margins. In this video, we will delve into the benefits and shed light on why manufacturing your own styles can be a game changer for your business. The first benefit of this is better quality control. When you manufacture your own styles, you can gain full control over every aspect of the production process. This control empowers you to maintain stringent quality standards, ensuring that each garment meets your brand's exact specifications. By overseeing the production firsthand, you can scrutinize every detail, from selecting high-quality materials to monitoring the craftsmanship. This meticulous attention to quality leads to superior products, satisfied customers, and a solid brand reputation that sets you apart from competitors who rely on third-party suppliers. The second benefit is customization options. One of the most exciting advantages of manufacturing your own styles is the ability to unleash your creativity and offer unique custom-made products. By designing your own clothing, you have the freedom to reflect your brand's identity and cater to your target audience preference. Whether it's experimenting with innovative cuts, incorporating personalized details, or aligning designs to emerging trends, customization allows you to create a distinct and memorable brand experience. This level of individuality fosters customer loyalty and elevates your brand to new heights. The third benefit is increased profit margins. Cutting out the middleman and reducing reliance on external suppliers enables you to enjoy higher profit margins. When you manufacture your own styles, you can have direct control over production costs and pricing. By eliminating the markup costs associated with sourcing from external suppliers, you can get competitive prices while maximizing your profits. Furthermore, manufacturing in-house allows you to optimize operational efficiency, streamline processes, and reduce overhead expenses. These factors contribute to healthier financials and potential for long-term business sustainability. The fourth benefit is supply chain control. Manufacturing your own styles empowers you with great control over your supply chain. Instead of relying on external suppliers, you can establish a streamlined and efficient supply chain. By directly sourcing materials and managing production timelines, you reduce the risk of delays, shortages, and disruptions. A well-managed supply chain ensures consistent availability of materials, enabling faster production cycles, enhanced responsiveness to market demands. The level of control fosters customer satisfaction, strengthening your brand's reliability, and paves the way for sustained growth. The next benefit is creative fulfillment. When you manufacture your own styles, you embark on a journey of creative fulfillment. The ability to bring your unique designs to life and witness the tangible results of your vision is immensely rewarding. Seeing customers wearing and enjoying the clothing that you have meticulously crafted cultivates a deep sense of pride and accomplishment. Manufacturing your own styles aligns with your passion with your business goals, fostering a strong connection between you, your brand, and your customers. This authentic bond creates a powerful brand narrative that resonates with your target audience and bolsters brand loyalty. In conclusion, manufacturing your own styles for your e-commerce business provides a host of benefits and elevates your brand's competitiveness and profitability. By assuming control over the manufacturing process, you can ensure superior quality control, offer extensive customization options, and enjoy increased profit margins. Additionally, managing your supply chain and experiencing creative fulfillment further contribute to your business and growth of your brand. As you contemplate the future of your e-commerce business, consider the advantages of manufacturing your own styles and seize the opportunity to establish a unique and thriving brand in the digital market space. One of the biggest demerits of manufacturing your own customized designs could be the high MOQs. Therefore, as a business, your one-stop solution for customized requirements in low MOQs is Tradyl. Tradyl works with international retail brands as their partners in the complete value chain process of sourcing quality products from verified factories in India. We provide an end-to-end solution for product sourcing, starting from designing till the end shipment, and at the same time being flexible on MOQs with competitive pricing. We are a team of e-commerce and export experts coming together to make sourcing simple, better, and faster. If you want to know more about Tradyl, check out the description box below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's make global trade local.